lovers, welcome back to the Bondi Sands YouTube channel. I am Pia Muehlenbeck. I'm a YouTuber, entrepreneur, and a Bondi Sands enthusiast. And today I'm going to show you guys my little step-by-step routine of how I do my tan. Now, I like to use the Aero Dark because it is super lightweight and dries really quickly. Before I start lathering myself up, I thought I'd give you guys a few hot tips. So what I like to do to prep is actually scrub all over my body and shave a couple of days beforehand. Now, the reason that's handy is because right when you shave, your pores open up a little bit. So if you give them a little bit of time to close up, you get the best smooth, even tan. Then, right as I'm about to pop it on, I actually get a little bit of moisturizer and I put it on my knees, my ankles, my elbows, and even like a little bit here in the areas that can tend to gather a little bit too much tan, and that just avoids there being darker patches. Then I use the mitt to apply, and it is super easy to glide on because it's an aerated formula, so it's really, really lightweight. For me, the Aero Dark is the perfect tone because I'm a little bit olive skin to begin with. It matches my skin tone perfectly, it just makes me a lot darker and more bronzy. Let's get it on! So I'm all prepped. I've already put moisturizer on my knees and stuff, and then I'm just gonna grab this and wow, look how fluffy that is. What I like to do is I start with the legs and I just do these motions all the way up. And then with whatever's left on the glove, I just run it over my foot. It just glides on, and unlike other formulas, it doesn't get all like gooey or anything. Like, you can immediately bend your arm afterwards and it's pretty much entirely dry. So the only tip is you have to be quite quick before it dries. So I just go through and do my entire arm like that. I even get a little bit under the arm there, not too much. And with the elbow, I just do one glide across. Then I've got a little bit left over and I just kind of bring that onto the top of the hand. Boop, boop, straight onto the shoulder. I like to do my shoulders a lot because when you think about where the sun would hit, it's pretty much like up here, your shoulders, your décolletage. So I think a tan always looks the most natural when you're focusing on the areas where the sun would hit. And because of that, I'm going to show you a little trick with my face later on too. Wait, how does it go? We good? Okay, so I've done the arms and the décolletage, and then what I do with the tiny bit left over on the mitt is I go up here and I do my neck a little bit, and I bring it just to the edge of my jawline. And this kind of carves out a bit of a stronger jawline, and it's like contouring, but then you don't have to do anything with makeup. I like to do a tiny little bit like this on the top of the forehead, and then call me crazy, but a tiny little boop on the nose, and you look like super, super sun-kissed. Right, so then I'm moving straight onto the tummy. I like to start kind of down the bottom and then work it up, because I feel like if you follow the contours of would-be abs, it looks like you've got abs going on. The great thing with this formula as well is it doesn't have that full-on fake tan kind of smell. Like, you can totally put something on. I would recommend something baggy, but you can totally go somewhere and sort of spend the rest of your day normally. You don't have to hang out at home like a little hermit with tan on. This one actually smells like coconut, so it smells like summer. Alrighty, done and dusted. Ta-da! All right, so now I'm just gonna marinate in this for about 6 hours. I actually like to sleep in it because it's so lightweight and comfortable. I just put on like some little pajamas, and in the morning I wake up all bronzy and brown. So I will see you guys in the morning. And voila! It is now 12 hours later. I went home, I slept in the product, and because it's so lightweight and dry, I didn't feel it at all. So I woke up this morning, had a little shower, had a little coffee, moisturized, and here we are. Look how bronze I am. So the amazing thing about this formula is that it doesn't just have one active tanning ingredient, it has two. So the first one gives you this immediate color, and the second one actually gradually carries on developing. So this is gonna look like this for up to 10 days. It also contains vitamin E and jojoba, which means your skin stays really nice and moisturized, really nice and hydrated, and it means that when it does come off, it fades really evenly rather than patchy. I'm absolutely obsessed with Aero Dark. You guys have to try it. If you do try it, let us know in the comments down below. We'd love to hear your feedback. And guys, make sure you subscribe to the Bondi Sands YouTube channel for loads more videos like this. But me, I'm off to the beach. See ya!